World's coolest dressing room? Check. Well, I drove around for 20 minutes looking for a parking spot. Ended up getting a super cute dress at that little vintage shop that I like so much. There's all kinds of neat little stores here. Huh. Easily distracted. I'm back on it, and I am walking to the big antique mall that was suggested to me. I'm trying to figure out if I'm reading the price right. Looks like $4.50 for this whole thing of cards. 2 baby, 1 get well, and 1 anniversary. Is that right? Because that card alone I would pay $4.50 for. This is amazing. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so glad somebody told me to come here, because I'm not gonna lie, I kind of would have written it off from the thing I saw online. Look at this. Stop it. Sticker sheets, $3.50 each. Fish shop, candy shop. Dude, I'm getting all of these. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Now, what's in this fun bucket? Oh my gosh, decals. They're kind of worn, but stop, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, this is like the best. This is totally making up for, this is so cute. I know it's kind of worn, but as is. Oh, it's so cute though. Kind of want to get it anyway. Why not? For $2. And what's all this fun stuff? Oh my gosh, this little bag of vintage marbles. Oh, this is so fun. Thank you, universe, again. Little puzzles. $9.50. I don't know if I could get much more out of that. I'm actually kind of questioning this. This is kind of in rough condition. God knows what it's going to be like by the time. Oh my gosh, ABC stamp set, like new. 15. That's probably about what I'd sell that. Maybe not. Maybe it's been so long since I've even seen anything like that. Popeye scrapbooks. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, look at how cute. And what is this? Oh my gosh. This is such a fun piece of paper. I'm a little overwhelmed. Better than being underwhelmed, which is quite frankly what I've been until about now. And then this little, it looks German. 1950. What? That's so cheap. Those are usually so expensive. I'm so glad I brought my whatnot stuff with me for tonight's sale, because something tells me I'm not gonna be in Palm Springs in time. I was gonna do it outside the named it Vintage Forever, and I was gonna do it outside the Maryland Forever statue, but this is way more entertaining. Plus, it's not a very nice day out. This is so cool, man. All right, I think I want to get into this case. I need to see some of the prices. But wait, what is this? Stamps? Those are so cute. Oh my gosh. What is this one? Stamp book. I kind of want to try some of these out. I don't know how well they'd sell. I don't usually do like paper stuff, but 2 full books. This is so cute. So neat. Oh, I'm overwhelmed already. Like I said, I'm gonna have to come back to this booth. This place is apparently 3 floors, and I'm still in the first booth. Oh my gosh, look at this little Red Riding Hood book. How cute. $15. That is so neat. Probably too close for resale. It's probably about what I'd get out of that. Look at all this fun stuff. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for telling me to come here. I also really like this dress. The skirt is like everything, and it's only $40. It's insane, especially considering all the crazy prices I've been seeing. Oh, I'm so into this. Look at this guy. Interesting rubber. Little plastic. 30 though on that one. The box. All this neat camera stuff. Slides. Man, they got everything here. Vintage celluloid flower pins, $5. Oh my gosh, so many fun little miniatures. I love the Marilyn charm bracelet, even though it's new. Look at that Santa beard. Santa brooch with the beard. Oh my gosh. Wow. The little dog's only $3 and $4. What about the cat? $15. Yeah, I was gonna say those are usually expensive. That's a decent price on that though. Oh boy. I'm starting to feel like myself again, thank goodness. I love this little duck. That's at $7. What about these cats? These usually sell pretty well, $15. I'm scared to turn that actually. What's going on in here? Man, you really gotta dig in here. Ballerinas. $9.50. This one's an older one. Japan, yeah, $9.50. I've had those so many times though. Oh my gosh. Does it say, what does that say, 50? That's insanely fair for that large inflatable. Wow, they've got some really neat stuff in here too. I love that. Fake costume jewelry. Oh, wow. Dude, I am so happy. I don't feel entitled that I deserve this, but I'm like, kind of like, thank you. I actually kind of deserved this. I've been really going through it for the past few days out here. I'm just having a hard time, you know? It happens. But this is exactly what I needed. The glass vase. $14. Let me not lose my basket because it actually has my wallet in it, and at the rate things have been going, I wouldn't be surprised if it disappeared. Wow, look at what's happening in here though. Let me take a second to soak this in. Oh my gosh. Okay, shelf by shelf, it looks like $12 on the hair combs. Oh wow, I don't even know where to look. The teeth situation happening, epic. I was like looking at something and now I don't even see it. It was like the first thing I saw and now I don't know where it went. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm trying to see what the tag says on that red bow tie thing. I think it says 30 something. It's really epic. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to let that go. Let's see, $30. That is so neat. Is this a Miss Pac-Man t-shirt? Or a Pac-Man, I mean. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I love that. And then look at this jacket. Wow, that's so epic. $45. That's so fun. It's got a little tear in it still though. What's this one? Mickey. Now there were a couple cases down there I wanted to get into. I also didn't even finish half the first floor. Something keeps biting me, I feel like, on my ankle. Decided to take a look around on the second and third floor before I got too deep into the first. Yes. I'm really tempted to pick this up for $25, but it's so heavy. It would cost a small fortune to ship. Wait, does this say 18? What is happening here? How fantastic. 18. Oh, it's super repaired, that's why. Oh my gosh, look at this McDonald's hat. That's amazing. $25. So epic. Wait, this is such a fun booth. Let me move my basket. Interesting. Let me move my basket so I can watch it at least while I go through all this neat stuff. Let's see. What's going on with this monkey? I'm not sure what's going on with that monkey, but it's not exactly what I thought it was. Wow, there's a lot going on here. Look at this cute little notepad. Oh, the diaper stacker. Look at that toilet seat cover. Okay, but I also love this shirt. K-Frog 95.1. It's $18 though. I don't think I can justify that. So you might know I'm not much of a Barbie person, but I love the thermos. Skipper and Midge, $11. There's some really fun stuff in this booth too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. $12. Please don't be broken. This is amazing. And it's actually made in Japan. For $12, I'm definitely grabbing that. Wow, even with the little ding on the nose, that's so epic. I love the little footstool and the suitcase. The candle holder's neat too. It's actually this mushroom. I think this is probably new. Interesting. Yeah, I think that's new. There's so much going on here. Look at the retro paper dolls. I love the cat painting. 19. What? This is awesome. This is awesome. The Cruel's at 80 though. I can't do anything with that. I'm trying not to make you guys dizzy. I'm dizzy. So much fun. Look at that little, this is a neat one too. It's kind of random. I love it. And okay, so these are candles. Just kidding. Love the Merry Mushroom, but I'm really into these lemon glasses. Those are fun. 15. And I think the popsicle ones are new, but they're neat too. Ah, this is so my speed. This is fun. Whoa, I really like this bag too. 28. I did have to stop and look at this. I don't think that's what I think it is actually. 2-piece, 25, but that looks contemporary. I thought it could have been Blanco from before. Amazing. And I do love those orange lamps too. This duck, I can't tell. Oh, it's clear. I thought it was lime green at first, but it's just a reflection. More clothing booths. Yes, please. Not that I need any more clothing. I'm starting to pack up some of my clothing that I brought because I realized I severely overpacked, which is unlike me. I'm gonna have to mail some stuff back home so I have room in the car. Oh my gosh. Is it all there? You know what? For $14? Oh, might be a little close, but it's so fantastic. I guess it is. Is it missing anything? I don't really see it missing anything. Oh, I love it. I wonder if I could clean that little spot up. I'm also very distracted by this dress right here. Fabulous. How much are you? Okay, hat, you need to move because I am hyper focused on this dress. $14.50. That is so much fun. I think we're gonna have to try that on. Well, of course I'm wearing a shirt, but I have a feeling this thing fits me perfectly and my belt is like bulging out. Oh, I think I need this. And I think I am gonna have to hold on to this box. I can't seem to let it go. It's so pretty. I think I'd be able to clean it up all right. It's definitely a little bit close, but I have a feeling it will do well. Oh my God, stop these boots. These are everything. Dude. I mean, I can't wear them, obviously, and they're new, but they're so fantastic. Also, I see a little cupcake purse. Very cute. Junior me. And speaking of junior me, look at that little junior sweeper. I think I've already lost my basket again. Little boy blue is cute, but I'm actually into the will return sign. It's in here. Oh my gosh, and this thing. Hopefully you guys can hear me. My microphone's a little funky and it's kind of loud in here with the music. Wow, this is so much fun. Oh, I don't think I did that, but just in case I did. Well, even if I didn't, I would still do it. Holy moly, look at the clothes in here. Cat top. I'm having a really good time sifting through their jewelry cases. Clampers, $60 though. $75. Okay, yeah. Bracelets are spendy here. Those are kind of really nice though. I wonder if they're Weiss. Dude, something continues to bite my freaking ankle. I swear I'm not crazy. Look at this bracelet. Oh my gosh, look at the flower bouquet cat thing. Is that a cat or a flower bouquet? I think it's a cat. Still too close at 16 though. Oh, but it is sure fun. What are their micro mosaics going for? 45. Oh my gosh, and look at that green one. Okay, so that's the pin. How much is the bracelet? Probably a fortune. What are these plaques back here? Oh, that's cute. They're like chalkware with decals on them. $20 though. Let's see. These are kind of neat. A sailor. 25. Okay. Ooh, little glass. It's probably expensive. Amberina. 55. Not bad considering California's been insanely expensive. Yeah, actually the last time I saw one of those, it was $450, so wow. Look at these bracelets in here. I don't know how to open it. I think you need a key. So they were all priced about what I would sell them for, and they were plastic, not Bakelite. A couple of them look like they could have gone either way. Oh my gosh. What is happening here? I see green sequins. Say no more, green sequins. It's a top. Dang, I thought it was a skirt at first. So much fun. I would rock that. Love that color orange. 30. It's a little spendy for me. I'm pretty cheap when it comes to clothing because my wardrobe changes so frequently. What is this hiding in the corner? It's like a table leg for one of those $50 side table leg. Very cool. And another booth that definitely has my attention. What's happening here? No. Thought it was beaded at first. Lots of things that are close. Oh my gosh, that cowboy hat, so much fun. And I kind of like this chalkware cat. Looks a little rough from afar. $10. It's actually not that. I kind of like the character on it, honestly. I'm not sure how well it would do. Ooh, I'm trying to put that down slowly. I'm still thinking about it. That's fun. Oh, this bracelet's too big for me. Some of these little vinyl coin pouches go for good money. How much is this? $3. That's so cute. It's got a little spot of wear. I might be able to clean it up a little bit. 80s. Oh, yikes. Let me fix that.